My name is Javars, and I work as a pipe fitter and welder. As a welder, I pretty much find out my task in the morning, whatever I got to do, weld my joints for that day. As a pipe fitter, usually, we look at the schematics and the blueprints, and sometimes I have to put the pipes together for the welder to weld them. They could be holding chill water for your air conditioners, could be holding air for your air units. The source of stress for me is being in uncomfortable positions. Sometimes you can, feel maybe you didn't get the weld how you wanted it. Typically, I work maybe 40 to 50 hours a week, just depending on the job task at hand. Sometimes you may have to work 60 to 70. If you want to do this job, I would suggest you try finding a local job training program or an apprenticeship program. Typically, you can find those at your local unions or your local big contractors. The best part about the job is just taking good pride in your work after you're done with it and just seeing the finished product. The worst part is just getting into small spaces, trying to get comfortable and make a decent looking weld. Final advice is just start early, start looking for training early, start putting your applications early, because the earlier the better.